What if I told you there is a natural way to improve it without relying on medications, physical therapy? Stay tuned to discover how. My name is Dr. Kundlas and I'm a primary care physician for the last 25 years. Today we are diving into natural methods to alleviate low back pain. The tips are simple, effective, and makes big difference in your daily life, provided you do it. Let's get started. First on our list is exercise. Regular exercise such as walking, swimming, and specific exercises like bridges, planks, and gentle yoga can strengthen the back muscles, supporting your spine. Stronger muscle means better support and less pain. Next on our list is stretching. Perform daily stretching exercise to improve flexibility, reduce muscle tension in your low back, and focus on stretches for your hamstrings, hip flexors, lower back to keep everything limber. Maintaining good posture is crucial whether you're sitting, standing, lifting anything. Proper posture can significantly reduce strain on your lower back. Use ergonomic furniture, adjust your workspace to support good posture. Strengthening your core is another key factor. Stronger core muscle, including abdominal and back muscles, provide better support for your spine. Try exercise like plantar abdominal crunches to build strong core. For immediate relief, try heat or cold therapy. Apply heat to relax your muscle and improve blood flow, or use cold to reduce inflammation. Alternating between heat and cold can provide a very effective remedy. Regular massages can work wonders for your lower back. They help reduce muscle tension, improve circulation, and alleviate pain. Consider incorporating massage therapy into your daily routine. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water per day to maintain health of your intervertebral disc and prevent stiffening in your lower back. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial. Follow balanced diet rich in fruit, vegetables, lean meat, healthy protein, and healthy fats. Practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises to reduce stress, muscle tension. Techniques like progressive muscle relaxation can also be very helpful. Ensure you get adequate quality sleep, use supportive mattress, and maintain a proper sleep posture to give your back a rest it needs. If you have a sedentary lifestyle, avoid prolonged sitting. Take frequent breaks to stand, stretch, and move around. Aim to change the position every 30 minutes to keep your back healthy. Wear sportive shoes that provide proper arch support and cushioning. Avoid high heels shoes with inadequate support to reduce strain on your muscles. Finally, consider alternative therapies like acupuncture, chiropractic care, osteopathic manipulation. These therapies can help improve alignment and alleviate pain. These are some of the natural ways you could improve your low back pain. Incorporate these methods into your daily routine to manage and alleviate your pain effectively. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements. I request you to like our channel, subscribe it, and share with others. This will keep us motivated to produce content similar to that. Thank you very much.